Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. I am so obsessed with this spray, you guys, and it seems like I'm abusing it lately. I saw this from Olerato. I'm so obsessed, you guys. Like a little spray and then you wipe, it does magic. This is my new product going forward. Like this is the new addition to my cleaning product. I was watching Joey Lamini. She was asking if you are loyal to the brand. Come to think of it, I don't think I'm loyal to the brand because I've recently added Escape. I love it. I was plugged by her. This one I saw it from Olerato on TikTok. Still I'm loving it so much. Guys, this hack really works of mixing the onions and avocado. It helps to get the avocado to rip faster. It's just that sometimes I think I should put like three aside so that they don't rip at the same time, while because it would be very hard to finish all of them at the same time. So I hope you guys do enjoy the video. I'm just resetting the house, packing the groceries, trying to put everything where it should be. And yeah, later I'll be watering my plants. I still need to ask this lady. I remember Ulebo asked me where I bought is it a spray for cleaning the plants. I'll ask the lady because she just gave me like some sort of a sample. I washed the plant, but still after washing them with water they were still very shiny. So I'm in love with the spray, you guys. I want to have one of my own, and also because we have introduced combos in the business, like selling the basket with plant, I also want to include the spray as part of the combo. I love it, and I'm sure other people will love it as well.
Give me a moment to be sincere. Feeling this way since top of the year. Lately we've been real unsure, unclear. Is it just me? Where do you go when you disappear? Tell me your secrets, you got my ear. Room to assume it's feeding my fears. Don't wanna leave, pull me in closer. Can we start over? Don't want nobody but you. No matter what we go through, keeping it between us two, me and you. Can we survive the distance? Don't know what we're missing, but there is a space between us. I know healing ain't instant, but can we survive the distance? Lifetimes are going like years away.
So this is just a top up on the monthly grocery that we did. It's mainly your school stuff for the lunch boxes, whatever you see that is in twos. It was on promotion, you guys. We bought it at Macro. Normally these Kellogg's cereal we buy two for a certain price. I don't remember how much they were. And in this biscuit for lunch they were like 95 rand for three. Like everything was in promotion for these ones. And I'm trying this Pocomo granola. We are buying the traditional oats from Pocomo. I saw it from Henani, and that it's much better than the normal oats. This cake mix, I saw it from the Selani. You guys are plucking me. And we were planning on baking for my husband's cake on his birthday, but it was not a success. I mean, on Sunday, guys, I have flu and I've been in and out of the hospital trying to check the baby. He is out of the hospital, but not better for now, but he's recovering very well. Thank you so much, guys, for your messages. You guys are amazing. I really do appreciate the support you show to me, my family, like my extended family. Thank you so, so much. So maybe we might bake a cake for my birthday this coming Sunday. And thank you so much if you've made it this far to the video. I really appreciate your support. So it was the day of the birthday, you guys, but I splitted the vlog into the other one was mainly just the focus on the birthday, but today I'm just trying to reset the house, and like another video will also be resetting the house. I'm making noodles for the kids because the meat is still not ready. The pap, I haven't started cooking it, so they'll just have this for now while I'm still preparing supper.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I